Have you ever wondered why traditional sales training often falls short? Why, despite countless hours spent in the classroom, many sales professionals still struggle to close deals? The answer lies in the one-size-fits-all approach that leaves no room for personalization and real-time feedback. Enter Sales Coach AI, a game-changing tool that's set to revolutionize sales training as we know it. Sales Coach AI offers a personalized training experience. Guided or independent role plays and objection handling in various scenarios help sales professionals tackle real-world situations with ease. A standout feature is the dynamic difficulty adjustment. Just like a personal trainer at the gym, Sales Coach AI adjusts the difficulty level based on your performance, ensuring you're always challenged but never overwhelmed. The feedback mechanism is another game changer. It provides instant constructive feedback, allowing you to learn from your mistakes and continuously improve. With real-time analytics, you can track your progress, identify strengths, and address weaknesses. It's like having a personal sales coach, available 24/7. Interactive learning modules keep training engaging, while peer collaboration fosters a supportive learning environment. Sales Coach AI seamlessly integrates with your CRM, and customizable scenarios mean you can practice dealing with situations specific to your industry or clientele. Regular content updates ensure you're always up to speed with the latest sales techniques and trends. The gamification elements add a fun twist to learning, and a mobile app means you can train anytime, anywhere. Sales Coach AI doesn't stop there. It also provides summaries and key points from sales training materials, making it accessible for all trainees regardless of their experience or background. In summary, Sales Coach AI is not just another training tool. It's a comprehensive, personalized, and interactive learning solution designed to equip sales professionals with the skills they need to excel. With its diverse range of features, Sales Coach AI is transforming sales training, one professional at a time. Say goodbye to the traditional one-size-fits-all approach and hello to a new era of personalized, effective sales training. This is the future of sales training, and it's here now with Sales Coach AI.